POV, the best homemade cough remedy.
So, yesterday I was supposed to do my tidbit because Mr. Barrett has been coughing so much. So, I decided to make him my homemade cough liqueur. So, I did, this is garlic. This is organic garlic. So, I did 4 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of organic turmeric powder. I did lemon juice and honey. I was supposed to do cayenne pepper, and then of course I blended it all together. I was supposed to do cayenne pepper, but I forgot. But it's okay without the cayenne pepper. You can add it though. Cayenne pepper is really good. So I blend them together, and then I got this. I gave him 2 tablespoons, and he has not coughed since. So let's see. Mr. Barrett, could you come here, please? So how has it been since yesterday?
Me?
Since you got your liqueur, your homemade cough drop.
But I haven't cough.
All right, come get some more.
You know.
One more.
It's the last one, right?
Mm-hmm. So you haven't coughed since you did it last night, right?
No.
Right. Cough drop. So today's tidbit is my homemade cough cure, right?
I didn't know you were recording it.
Yeah.
Oh,
I got it. Thanks.
all right.
You can't get good health anywhere, but it works. Oh, and I had these flowers that I got from my work anniversary. My manager gave it to me last year, and I kept it on the window by there, and I water it every day, and all the flowers were gone. They all look like, let me show you. Right here, my hands is not good with flowers. And look, today I look, I have flowers. Isn't that nice? I have flowers, it's so cute. I'm gonna put it back in the window. This is Mrs. B Talks Health and Wellness. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Have a great morning. Have a great afternoon. Have a great evening. Have a great night wherever you are in the world. Thanks for watching.